Ladies and gentlemen, the favorite. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody watching, the legend Candida Louis.
Yeah, finally.
So Candida, welcome back to Goa. We know you're close by. You do come a lot, very often. How has India Bike Week been this year for you compared to the rest?
The last time I was here was in 2015 or 16. But yeah, so much has changed at the India Bike Week. Everything's gotten a whole lot bigger, and so many more bikers, so much more gear from all over the world, and it's amazing to see all the world riders here at one place, and yeah, having a lot of fun.
For those of you who don't know Candida, she's been on an epic tour from Bangalore to Australia on a Bajaj Domina. Now, riding in India, we know it. Riding abroad, Candida, what's different?
Every country is different. The road rules change, the people change, the motorcycles change. So, like, every country is a different experience. But yeah, riding all over the world, compared to India, I feel that more Indian people should follow rules and also ride with more safety gear, because that's what keeps us going, and that's what saves us most of the time. So I encourage more Indian riders to invest in good riding gear. Yeah.
And last question for the day, your favorite place to ride in?
I really can't pick one favorite place. Every place, every country has its own beautiful and interesting moments. But if I had to pick one place, one country,
I mean, not the best, it could be one of your favorites.
I really like Gurez in India, but I also enjoy Australia because of how remote it is and the wildlife over there. I really enjoyed riding in Australia as well.
Thank you so much, Candida, for joining us. It's been an absolute pleasure. We'll definitely see you around. Thank you and have a nice one.